My name is Dorian Wood. I am a Los Angeles-based artist. Sky City was based on an experience I had back in 2011 when I was stranded at Arlanda Airport in Stockholm for 24 hours. I created the libretto based on this stream of consciousness type of narrative that I created on the spot while I was stranded in Arlanda.
Just like, all of us in a circle, I'm in a circle around us.
I'm Dan Rosenblum, and I'm one of the co-founders of Creative Underground Los Angeles, and I'm a trumpet player and composer in Los Angeles. Sky City, we've been working on this for about a month and a half. It's always a process of back and forth and push to the end, where everything starts to come together. What we settled on is a really beautiful and slightly disturbing representation of Dorian's experience.
Please welcome Sky City.
Being an independent artist anywhere in the world is always a challenge. It's always a continuous process of growth and drive and really exploring new territory to try to grow as an artist.
Up against skies blue.
I was looking for a fun musical event to go to tonight, and this looked like a good pick.
And arrows of Africa fleshed.
I just want to keep creating, and I'm grateful every second that I can. Every time inspiration hits me, I'm grateful for that moments. My hope is that those moments just keep on coming.